Technology drives innovation. Innovation requires expertise. Customers demand speed. Kiosks, lockers, and other self-service solutions are widely used all over the world. Datalogic unveils the brand new Gryphon 4500 fixed series of scan modules. Rugged, powerful, versatile and backed by a 5-year warranty, the Gryphon 4500 fixed series is perfect for OEM, retail, manufacturing, and healthcare applications. It comes in 2 versions, GFS 4500, easy to integrate, thanks to its compact size and multiple fixing points, and GFE 4500, a housing-free variant, for enhanced space saving and more customized integrated solution. The Gryphon 4500 fixed series is easy, fast and built to last. Why easy? A perfect space-saving design that adapts to any solution. These fixed scan modules offer extreme versatility so that you can plug and play in self-service kiosks, access control gates, and ADM applications, even within existing installations. Why fast? The Gryphon 4500 fixed series scan modules house advanced megapixel sensor technology. Customers can instantly scan loyalty cards and coupons at checkout, even at very close proximity and from mobile phone displays. And built to last? The GFS 4500 is designed for outdoor use. Impervious to rain, extreme temperatures, vibrations, shocks, dust and dirt. Datalogic ensures this with an industry-leading 5 years guarantee. Easy to integrate, fast reading performance, built to withstand for many years. This is the Datalogic Gryphon 4500 fixed series. Easy, fast and built to last.